shape our life, we didn't give up. If you are failing first time, it's okay, stand up and start running. If you are failing second time, it's okay, continue your route. हर क्लास में एक टॉपर इंसान रहता है. टॉपर इंसान एक इंसानी होता है, उसके पास भी कॉपी रहती है, पेन रहता है, हाथ रहता है, लिखता है. आप लोग के पास भी सेम चीज है. देन वो जो कर सकता है, आप लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते हो. So yes, my is the moral of these quotes is we can do anything. We didn't give up easily in our life. So the solutions are there. The government must set all the laws according to the farmers. The government must increase the prices of foods and essential things. The government must see about the farmers' benefits. कहाँ छिपा के रख दूँ मैं अपने हिस्से की शराफत को? कहाँ छिपा के रख दूँ मैं अपने हिस्से की शराफत को? जिधर भी देखता हूँ उधर बेईमान खड़े हैं. कहाँ छिपा के रख दूँ मैं अपने हिस्से की शराफत को? जिधर भी देखता हूँ उधर बेईमान खड़े हैं. जिधर भी देखता हूँ उधर बेईमान खड़े हैं. क्या खूब तरक्की कर रहा अब देश मेरा भी. क्या खूब तरक्की कर रहा अब देश मेरा भी. खेतों में बिल्डर, सड़कों पर किसान खड़े हैं. So guys, what was the thinking of farmer? That was the third topic of the speech, and I'm gonna to suggest something. So I already told you farmers were not happy about the agricultural law in our country. I was also stand in favors of farmer. I was also suggest him. I was also support him, and farmers, I was also supporting because they were not against about all these three laws which was made by the government in the Constitution of 2020. They were against of only two laws, and the laws is to trade with produce and the commercial bills, and the second one is agreement on the prices assurance and the farmer service bill. That is, farmers were not want to sell their product or cultivated crops in their own capacity. They don't want to sell. That means in earlier days the farmers had to sell their food products according to government fixed prices, but this day they were forced to sell their prices according to their private, but they don't want to sell. So all day he want to government change these bills and give him their right backs. And I also suggest him, because in future no big businessman gonna to give the cost, and they also thought that some businessmen or the richest or wealthy person gonna to capturing their lands. So I also really exactly this could gonna to happen in future. So I also request with government, with respected government, to please accept our farmer brothers and giving their rights back, and just remove these bills. So our last topic is, what was the rule of government? I mean, what was the thinking of government? In earlier days, the government used to buy such things from farmers at the fixed price, at the government fixed prices. But this day, the Constitution of 2020 already make 3 bills, and in these bills I already discussed about it. So lastly, I want to say something. तेरी बनाई दुनिया है खुदा, तेरी बनाई दुनिया है खुदा, फिर तेरा इंसान क्यों भूखा है? मेहनत करने वालों को मिलती नहीं एक रोटी, काली कमाई से कुछ लोगों ने अपना घर भर रखा है. पेट भरता है जिसका अनाज, लोगों का पेट भरता है जिसका अनाज, लोगों का पेट भरता है जिसका अनाज. मैंने उस किसान के बच्चों को भूखा सोता देखा है. So lastly,